D4G Squad, I'm Kez and welcome to another video brought to you by Girls For God. Today we'll be making a lavender body scrub. It's a great gift for a friend or for Mother's Day or just to pamper yourself.
Our ingredients today are a quarter cup of table salt, 3/4 a cup of caster sugar, some lavender essential oil and a quarter cup of coconut oil. Optional is food colouring if you'd like to give it a bit of a tint.
Okay, so first we're going to take our sugar, a nice fine grain, it's great, and our table salt. Now, you might not know, but table salt or salt in general is pretty good for toning or firming up your skin, so that is a nice one to do. I also like mixing it in with my sugar scrubs just because it stops me from wanting to eat them. Then in our coconut oil, we are going to add a few drops of our essential oil. I'm using lavender. Proverbs 29:7 says, fragrant oils bring joy to the heart, so go for it. And I'm adding a bit of colour to this one so that I know it's lavender. Just a couple of drops. And I'll combine that in here. Now the reason I combined the sugar and salt together and then the oils separately is so that when we mix it all together, it's going to be a nice and even mix, so that you don't have some spots that are really nice and smelly with lavender and some spots that are really bright purple and others that are just white. Now, another thing you can add to this scrub, if you've got it readily available, is some lavender petals. You can use either cooking lavender or your just general garden variety lavender. It doesn't really matter. It's more an aesthetic thing. Now, isn't that a beautiful shade of lilac? Okay, once it's all nicely mixed in, you should be able to tell because there's no dry bits. Your salt is all evenly coloured. Okay, now that it's all evenly mixed through, we're going to take a cute little jar and pop it in there. Now, as I said in the opening to this video, this is a great gift for friends, an aunt, your mum, Mother's Day, a teacher, they love it. And pop that in there, stick a cute ribbon on, Bob's your uncle. Hi D4G Squad and welcome to another video.